Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to apply Ryanair promo code. I'm going to show you two ways to get that done. If you're booking a new flight and have a promo code to use, here are the steps that you can take. So from the home page, which is literally like the first way, just go ahead and click on apply promo code. Once you've selected your from and your total destination, let's say Dublin, I'm going to Dublin. I'm selecting this date as my, and I'm returning on that yet, just me. So click on I'm just gonna do one way. Then click on apply promo code and apply whatever promo code that you have, if you have any. Or if you don't want to go that way, just go ahead and click on search. And once you click on search, you'll be able to find available flights. So from the available flight options, just choose a preferred flight. And once you choose a preferred flight, then select the fare that suits your need, either basic, regular, plus, or flexi plus. So I'm just going to go to plus, and it's going to take me to the next window where I will be required to fill in my passenger information. This is this, and this is my name. So that takes me to this window. I have to select my seat. So best value, okay, seat 9, that's cool. And I click on continue, and that takes me to the next page. Once I'm done filling out all of the information, it's just going to take me right into the payments page, which is where you can now add promo code. So here are bags. All right, need any check bag? I don't need any. I'm just going to click on continue or priority. Okay, just a second, check me up. All right. So I'm walking to the next window where I have a couple of other things to fill in. That's the extras. So here, if I want any insurance, I'm just gonna be like, okay, add for all, insurance added. No. So next, I just need to get into the payments window. I don't need car hire. I just need to get out of here and head over to the payment page. Bruh, just take me right in there. Okay, so we're right in the payments window now. So we're right in the payments windows. So go all the way to payment methods, and here we have payment methods. See more information about gift cards, vouchers, and refunds. Just go ahead and open it. If it's like this, just expand it, and here it has enter your gift card, voucher number, or refund code. So go ahead and enter your code from here. Enter your promo code in the promo code box. Ensure the discount is reflected in your total before proceeding. Once you enter it, go ahead and click on select. Then enter your payment details and confirm your booking. The promo code box is here, like I've shown you. Once you enter your booking, you see that the discounts will definitely be reflected right here. So once you enter your promo code, check over here to see if the discounts reflected. And that's it. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.